Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I was looking for a way to be able to watch our TV from the bedroom without having to mount it on the wall. So when I found this WALI TV mount stand, I was super excited.
Our TV was 48 inches, and so it fit absolutely beautiful and perfectly, and it was real stable sitting on the dresser. This kit came with everything that you needed. The instructions were really easy to follow. It came with little tools to be able to use for the nuts and the bolts. And me and my husband together, maybe it took about 15 minutes to be able to put it together and install it. And I love how it came with a variety of different size screws, so that way if you weren't for sure which size that your TV had, it was easy to find the correct size. And they were even thoughtful enough to label it left and right, and so that way once you had it together, it didn't get confused. And then when you wanted to decide what the height was, it was so easy. You just had to pick which hole that you wanted to be able to put the screw in, and you could slide it up and down. And then the screws even come with spacers, so if you have to use a long screw, then that way it protects the TV and keeps the screw in there tight. And best of all, it is strong and sturdy. Even shaking it, it did not tip over.
So if you're looking for a quick and easy solution, plus something that would be portable, this TV stand by WALI is super reliable, and that is just my point of view.